Hello! This is our fourth lesson. Alright, so first lesson we learned about
touch.
the touch review, and then we learned about why he wants to play piano, and because you want to play music, and when you play music you are always listening for sounds. So we still have this from our first lesson. Second lesson, we learned about rhythm. So he knows the symbols. If you need to review, it's all here. We learned about time signatures. If I forgot to mention the time signatures, this is how you count the music by 4, 3, or 2.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yes.
1, 2, 3,
And then third lesson, we learned about the letter names.
C, D, E, F, G, A, B.
Wow, see, he knows it. Good. And if you don't want letters, you have solfege. That's what we call solfege syllables.
Do, re, mi,
fa, sol, la, ti, do. And then he learned how to play
middle C,
going
and
up,
low,
going down. Perfect. Yes. Okay. Lesson number 4. Okay. Today we're gonna learn about reading. So we are reading now so he can play music. That's note reading. Nope. Oops. Alright. So in note reading, we learn about sounds going up and down, right? Did you practice that?
Yeah, I'll go play it.
So I'll just show you what he learned last time.
Oh, it's upside down.
Yep. Or I don't know which way. Okay. Yeah, it doesn't matter. Alright, so now in note reading, imagine this page in half. And then we'll start our first note here, middle C. Middle C. And then
It looks like an O with a line.
and it's in the middle of the page. Okay, we'll fold it again. This is my fastest way of learning notes. But do you already know how to read notes?
Yeah.
In the staff?
Sort of.
Okay, so
But it depends which line you're on.
okay, I'll make this fast and easy. Okay, like in class you can learn this in 1 year, but for me you learn it in maybe we'll see. Hopefully, cross your finger.
2 months.
In 5 minutes. So we fold it again. This part is your left hand. This part is your right hand. Okay? So what I'm gonna do is fold it again. Keep folding. Keep folding.
Origami.
And keep folding.
Origami.
Yeah. So let's look at your.
Lines.
We'll show you the paper when we're done. Okay? All right. So you see the lines? Okay, we have those invisible lines.
Do, re, mi, so.
Okay, so now imagine the steps. Let me see if I have a picture of the steps.
Mom showed us the steps with each
Oh, yay!
person
So
on
this
them.
is what I made for Thursday, but I didn't come.
There's a boy
so,
on top.
Yeah, so imagine those steps. So we're gonna have one step here. Okay, one step there. One step. One step.
So
1, 2, 3, 4, and then we're gonna stop at 5th line.
la,
Nope, don't say the
So?
names yet.
re,
Not yet, but
Oh.
just imagine the lines. Does this look like stairs?
yes.
Okay, now
I
look
think
at
I'm
this. Okay, it's gonna be easy if you're paying attention. Are you paying attention?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. All right, ready? So this is middle C. We know this as middle C. Okay, it's always the middle. It's always C. So if you know the letter names, do you need this? No,
Maybe.
maybe. All right. So let's check. So C, and then there's a space between. Tell me what's the next letter going up.
C,
And then if there's a space, that means you skip. Oh, you skip that letter.
oh, so it's E.
E. So I'll write that. E. And then there's a space again.
E,
Skip one
G?
letter. Yes. Skip again. G. Do you know what's after G?
E, F, G, H, I.
Oh, there's no I. Look at your notes, out letter.
Okay.
G. Skip A.
B.
B.
And then,
Skip B.
do we go back to C?
It says pattern.
C?
Back to C. Skip C. And now we have D. And then this line. Skip E. Now we
F.
have F. And now, if I make that long lines, that means you already have 5 notes. You
Yep.
got 5 notes. So right hand plays this symbol. And this one is called treble.
Trouble.
If you can't remember treble, just say I'm in trouble.
Trouble.
You're in trouble, man. You're in trouble.
I can tell because
Yes.
this looks impossible to me.
Okay, so what are you gonna do if I'm not here? You have to teach yourself, and you don't know the notes. You're just gonna think of the stairs, and then you're gonna review
And practice.
the letters,
Yeah.
and then you're gonna write lines like this. Fold your paper if you don't want the line. If you want it straight, and then you're gonna skip every letter. Okay? All right. Sit up straight. We're not done. And then now for spaces, can you count how many spaces inside? There's one.
One,
There's two,
2,
3, 4. How many lines?
4. I mean 5.
2, 3, 4, 5. So, oh, sorry.
I didn't notice
So
the last one
line,
because-
line.
Line.
Space, space. Okay, fill in the blank. E. What's the missing letter? E,
F,
F, G,
H.
A,
No.
A.
It's. No, I'm in trouble.
Go.
I'm out of the.
Yep.
Sorry.
I'm alone here. Sorry. He's still here. Didn't go away. He's still here. You can hear him.
What was that last one?
A. Okay, after G is A. And then after B is?
C.
C. After C is?
C.
Nope.
Oh, I'm
Well,
F.
D. Between D and F is?
E.
E. Okay, look at that word.
Face.
Yes. See? So if you can remember your face, remember your face, and then just spell starting from the first space, F-A-C-E. That's it. Now we're going to fold the bottom part because we need our left hand. Okay, don't worry, you don't have to know all the names, letters, or notes right away. But this is just a trick that I learned. Okay, now we're gonna do going down the steps. So this is your steps going down. Start from here. Do.
Do.
There's a line, a space, a line, a space, a line, a space, a line, a space, a line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's it. Okay, let's
So
check.
that's why those are brighter?
Yep, this is going down. Okay, now going down is going from right to left. So let's start going down. C, skip B, A, skip A, F, skip E,
D.
D, skip D,
C.
back to B, and skip B,
G.
G. All right, and then make your line longer, longer, longer,
So many
longer,
little lines.
longer. And now you have the staff, and the sign here is a letter C that is in, what's this called? The flip. You
Yeah.
flip the C. Like you. This is how you write C, right? And then you flip it, and that's how you write the base. So this one is for left hand. And this one right on this side.
Right.
See? If I fold the paper, left hand, right hand. Left hand, right hand. Okay? Now, what's the note between A and F? Let's check A and F. G. Okay, what's this one? F and D, E. This one, E and, where are we at? D and B is C. And B and G is A. Now we cannot make a word. We can't make up a word for aseg. How can you remember aseg? I don't know. It's just ace.
And then
Ace.
just that-
Oh, ace.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Old cows.
ace.
Old cows. And then just
Yes, at school you learned that, right? All cow eat grass. Or this one, you can remember this, what every good boy does fine, whatever teacher tells you. So you can remember them with words or just remember them using the lines or using the steps and skips. All right, so this is here. You can review them later. We learned about note reading. It's time to go to the piano. Say bye-bye. We'll see you again
Bye.
in 1 minute.